How's it going? All Constable here. We're jumping into the gym. Level cap is 25. I got the team all set, ready to go at level 23. And there's a trainer right there, isn't there? Hold on. I think if I go around this way, I can avoid that guy. Yeah. Alright. So, as I'm sure you guys know, or you probably don't, we lost last time here. That's a trap. Just go ahead and scoot around the corner here. Alright, we're doing pretty good so far without having to fight anybody. Ideally, we can get in here without being touched, but it's not always possible. Depends on how this guy feels. Okay, we made it, guys. We made it. Alright, I'll get the team up to level 25 quick. Rare candies. And I'll also change my lead Pokemon. Do I want Tail Slap? It's a fairy move. Nah, we don't really want it. Not without its ability, anyway. Mud Bomb. Yeah, we'll take Mud Bomb. 65, 55, 85. Do I want Mud Bomb? I mean, I guess. Yeah, it lowers accuracy. Alright, I guess. Alright, ELQ, you can get a couple of levels up in here. We got Dark Rio on the team. This guy is fucking broken. He's got Technician. He's really bulky. He's got good attack. Swift, we're not learning that garbage. Alright. And I guess we'll also go ahead and give this to Crobat. And then we'll go ahead and give the Razor Claw back to Kyler. I only had those items on him in case we ran into trainers along the way. I think that's it. Let's go ahead and put Rio in the front because I want to give him the Nurture perk. I want to change his nature over to Careful. That's down special attack, up special defense. Alright, let's get it. Plus Rio is just a really strong Pokemon, so leading with him should be fine. Axew. Oh, it's a Dragon Gym. Okay. Fake out. Get the chips. Okay. Razor Leaf? Oh, don't do this. Don't do this. Alright, we didn't get the crit, but let's switch out to Minccino here. Oh, that's fine. We'll go for the fake out. And then we'll go for strength. Alright, get out of here. Okay, important to note, this is not Garchomp. Do we just strength it twice? I think it learned to dig on evolution, so I don't think it even has that. It's got takedown, which does a lot. Alright, I'm switching. I'm gonna go back out to... Do I go into Rio? No, I think I go into Kyler because I have Ice Fang. And I believe we have good physical defense as well. It's not bad. I'll go for the water gun here. He missed, that's good. Okay, Axew comes out. This guy does have Dragon Rage, but... Okay. Ice Fang does not Oko, but we'll switch. We'll go into Crobat. You have Fake Out, right? No. My music just... Oh, there it goes, there it goes. Go into... That'd be super effective, so we can't go into that. This is a normal type, so I won't actually absorb it. This guy's squishy, this guy doesn't have much... Oh, we'll go into Rio, we'll go into Rio. Fake out. Oh, we just barely missed. And his attack just went up? Bro, no way. I mean, I don't mind sacrificing Crobat. We also have Rocky Helmet. Oh, this guy's not the one with Rocky Helmet? ELQ has Rocky Helmet on, that's right. Okay, I'm probably faster, so I can just Leech Life for a little bit of health back. Oh, I was gonna full send with the Sludge Bomb. Oh. Ideally, we don't have to lose anybody here, but I don't think that's going to be a possibility. I'm gonna go for the Confuse Ray. If we can get some hacks here. Okay, we got some. We can go for, Sludge Bomb's resisted by 1, but I have the Gem. Does that make it neutral again? Maybe just under neutral? But if we can get the Poison, that'd be huge. Did not get the Poison. He went for Rock Slide and it missed! With that information, what do I do? I can switch out to Saga. I'd probably be faster, use Strength. Does it OHKO me? Probably doesn't OHKO me, but it probably 2-KOs me, so if it lands a Rock Slide, Xantum's probably wrapping me up. Let's go into Saga. Oh, snapped out. It Rock Slides. Does half. Charm. Oh, okay. Rip Saga. From here, we'll go into Minccino. Fake out. Oh, fuck. I just go out to Rio and fake out, right? You have fake out? Yeah. Yeah, that's the play. Oh, fuck you. Alright, now I gotta... Am I ground type? I should be ground type, right? No, I'm grass. Do I risk it? I don't want to risk it. And I'm gonna change his nature to careful? I can't. I can't do that. You don't have fake out. If I hard swap into Minccino, it might die. But, alright, let's do it. Let's risk the shiny. Yeah. I got the crit, too. Oof. Man, I feel like I just threw Pokemon into a meat grinder for no reason. But that's okay. Because we are out of there. And we got what we wanted. Rio to get the perk. And we got Thief. Oh, yo, that's amazing. Alright, bet, guys. Let's go ahead and get out of the gym here. I mean, it sucks that we lost Pikachu. It sucks that we lost, I don't even remember the other one we lost. Oh, Minccino. Yeah, it wasn't very consequential. I mean, it was cool being a fairy type and, or fairy type, Pixelate Mon and, type of gym like that, but it just wasn't good. Alright, so we can grab a couple more Pokemon out of the box. I'm thinking we just grab Hitmonchan. I already had him ready. That puts 2 flying weaknesses on the team though, and only 1 thing to combat that. So, not too happy about that. Maybe we put Honedge on the team, but I don't really have him ready. Actually, we'll go with Combi, and yes, it's a third fighting weakness. I get it. Maybe we'll grab Metang instead of Hitmonchan for now, because we are gonna get some encounters. Let's go ahead, heal up. It's no longer raining, so we can go up to the top here. Alright. Does anyone in my party actually have status? No. So then it doesn't really matter who I have out in the front. Yeah, I guess it doesn't matter. Alright. Sweet Scent. What we got? Okay, few good Pokemon. Ooh, I was just saying how I would like Fennekin. Do I need a fire type though? Yo, music, you wanna like get with the program here? Like, fuck. Come on. Dude, this is actually the fucking worst. I hate using YouTube. Fuck, dude. Alright. So our options are fire type, bug type, or dragon. And I'll be real with you. Whoever lives this well, a good many of them are gonna live this. Literally 0. 0 of them live that. And I am okay with it. Damn. Alright, I can't move this yet? Alright, that must be like the 4th gym or something. Alright. This is not a new encounter on Fort. Oh, we got Team Flare up in here. Forgot about these guys. Alright. At some point I do need to use the Nurture Perk and change Rio's nature. But as it is at this second, we good just moving. Spiritomb. Bite. Yikes. Let's go into... Who has Bite? Hold on. ELQ does, right? Ooh, that's scary. Alright, never mind. We're just going for the head smash. Get out of my game. Mega Drain. I'm gonna say no. Bet. Alright, so we need to go ahead and use an Awakening and a Super Potion. And let's go ahead and switch out our lead as well. Let's put Metang in the front. And let's give him a couple of rare candies so he can stand his ground a little better. Fucking sure. Alright, let's just go ahead and move. We got a Pokeball right here. Oh, god damn it. I don't want to go all the way around for that shit. Watch it be like the peak of items. The Master Ball, the Master Balls. Okay. Well, let's go. Confusion. Yeah, it does okay damage. Oh my god. Dude. Alright, get out of here. Does that strike, that could have flamethrower, but we're in the rain, so it's okay. It's got flame charge. Yeah, I wasn't leaving, bro. Nice try. Grunt really thought he had me with that one. Okay, let me go ahead and use a Paralyze Heal. And we'll grab a potion as well. No, why am I fighting house moms? Go home, lady. There's criminals out here. Dude, get out of here. Music's taking forever again to load. Okay. Could you not? Dude, I just gotta like... I don't know why I went for this move. I should've went for Confusion. I just gotta get like my own track and just play it offline. This is ridiculous. Dude, there ain't no fucking way. Just die. Like, at least it's raining, right? Fuck, dude. Alright. Made it to Geosange. If we hurry up, we can get one more encounter. No, go away. Okay, let's go. There's an item right here. It's a float stone. I don't know what that does. Probably makes your Pokemon lighter. There's an item right here. Okay. No, I wanted to go in the hotel quick. I just want to see if there's any TMs. There's no TMs? No! Dude, this town sucks. They don't give you shit. I'm not even talking to Mr. O. Let's go get that encounter quick. What am I doing? What are you doing? Yeah, I'm going. What? I don't want to fight. A Tyrantrum! You are so lucky I have my steel type out. That did 0. Goddamn. Going out to Rio. Chippies. Now eat these. That's cool. We'll just crit. Boom, bam. Oh, damn it. Alright, we gotta go for another one. Can you have something more manageable, please? She had another one. She had another one, guys. Oh my. This is bad. This is actually bad. Oh, I guess I could have mud bombed, right? Yeah. Mud Bomb probably would have been the lot better option. I guess we go Crobat. I mean, it's got Head Smash. That's fine, I think. Because I'm going to go for a Confuse Ray. Alright, and I'm going to go for Sludge Bomb. If we can get a Poison on this guy and put it on timer, yo, that's huge. It snapped out, goes for Ancient Power. We barely hold on by the skin of our fucking teeth, bro. Alright, let's go out to ELQ here. Of course, dude. Of course. I think that just put me in range, too. I'm gonna switch out to Matang. Oh my god, don't kill my Pokemon! No! That was my Pokemon! I told you not to kill it. Alright, we got the Rio. We get the chips. GG's. Fuck. Ancient Power. Who wants to learn Ancient? You do. That's a special move. Why would you want to learn that? No. Fucking GG, I guess. No encounter for us. We're just gonna wrap it up there. Fuck my life, dude. Would you give me anything? Oh wait, she might actually give me something. Oh, she's just telling me about the town. Fuck her, dude. Alright, y'all. I'm just gonna end it there. Peace.